y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Charlie Brown. Turn it up. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 3 hours this time. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha. Turn it out. Be looking out for part 3. It's gonna be up to your show.
You snooze, you lose, okay? So once we say bingo, whoever got bingo, and we moving on, and you say, oh, I got bingo, it's too late. It's your fault. You got 50 cards. It's too late. We moving on to the next game. So you got blackout, and all of a sudden you're gonna clear the board, and you be like, oh, I got bingo. No. You should have called it when it was time to call, because I'm gonna say going one, going twice. Then here we on game 5. Oh, I got blackout. No, ma'am, no, sir. It's not happening. So, and also with the raffle tickets, when we do the raffle, did everybody get a raffle ticket? Yeah. Did everybody get a snack? Yeah. Did everybody get a Giphy? Oh, candy good. Coupon. Yeah. Everybody. I did. I don't want to hear. Y'all didn't get a coupon? I just asked. I don't want to hear. I didn't get a ticket. I just asked. I don't want to hear. I don't have a bingo card. Did everybody got a bingo card? I just asked. Okay? So if everybody got everything they need, we about to start. Anybody go to the bathroom before we start? Okay? Alright. Raffle ticket is here. Okay. You only should have 1 raffle ticket. You don't need to have 2. You only supposed to have 1. It's only fair. You're supposed to have 1. Now you can have 50 bingo cards. You can pay for it. 1 is free and the rest you pay for. So you're supposed to have 1 raffle ticket. I want to have 2 raffle tickets. If you first see 2 raffle tickets, they can tell you. Okay? All right.
Not yet, you.